it's going to be back to school time next week. Schools will reopen. So it's a few tips on how we ease the first few days of the starting of the new academic year for our children. So, first thing, right from now itself, get back to the routine. So, make sure your child gets up at the time that he or she would have to when the school starts. So, don't allow them to sleep in late. Make sure they get up on time. Next thing, follow the same exact morning routine that you would do once the school begins. So, same brushing, bathing, breakfast, whatever is the routine that you follow once the school starts. Make sure you start that routine now itself, and include a lot of task boxes, activities which they will complete on their own, so that will set the tone for self learning when they start school. So choose activities or choose skills that they have already mastered, nothing new, but just give it to them and make sure they complete it on their own. That is what task boxes are. I have a whole playlist on that. You can go and check it out, activities to help your child learn independently. Next thing, copying from board and writing to dictation. These are also two skills that you start working on right away, or you, because this is again a thing that they will need at school, so it will help them with adapting to the new class. Another point, your tiffin boxes and water bottles. Don't go for excessively fancy ones. Choose boxes or bottles with characters that your children love. Make sure your child can open those boxes, so the latches or the hinges or whatever is easily openable. Do practice with that snack box at home, and make your child eat snacks from that snack box during the snack hour, but at home start that right away. And when you go to buy those tiffin boxes, make sure you buy more than one, because if your child loses one, you still have another one. Same goes with the water bottle. Next thing I want you to remember is that for children who are moving into a new school, try and drive through the school. So make sure that you take your child to the school before the school starts. See if you get opportunities to allow the child to wander in the playground or whatever, so that they can adapt to the new situation better. Take photographs of the place and give them a lot of visual clues on what is going to happen. Once our children know what it is that they have to expect, their anxiety is lesser, they feel more in control, and it helps them adapt to the school better. Another thing that I want you all to do with your children is pull out your school photographs of you in the school uniform. Show them to your children and say you also went through that. Share with them your good and bad experiences, so let them understand that you also went through something similar as they are going through now. It's okay, and it's a passing phase. Use short sentences, talk positively, but do share your negative experiences also. Do not in detail, and teach them, tell them how you got out of it. So make sure you tell them, I also went through this and it will become okay after some time. So that is very important, because we sometimes think our children don't understand. What we have to always remember is our children may be non speaking, but they are not non understanding. They surely can understand whatever it is that we say in their own way. So make sure you give them good information about that, and these are things that will ease the movement into a new classroom. All the best and enjoy your new academic year.